Alright. Good morning, guys. Good afternoon, guys. Good evening, wherever you are. Good afternoon, good morning, whatever you want to say. So, today's video, it's another build series of the Focus ST. And as you guys know, this channel is based on my 2016 Ford Focus ST, the build. And the journey to get in 330 horsepower, 350, maybe 400 horsepower if we get gained by it. But so today's video, I am gonna install in an Accessport, which is this right here, which is like a little computer module that monitors your parameters of the car and monitors every little detail of the car and let you know how your car is running. You can also tune your car and put the tune on here. Most tuners request you to get an Accessport to get the tune on it, because you know you can have it anytime, you can change it anytime, you can do all kinds of stuff with this kind of stuff. So to this video, this is what it's based on. We're gonna learn how to install the Accessport somewhere here without getting wires everywhere, you know, because if you go directly in here and you plug in your Accessport into the Accessport programmer, and then you just open up your OBD2 and plug it in here, it will go in, but then you won't be able to close this thing right here. That's the purpose of us making this video, that we can help you guys or whoever needs help trying to wire your Accessport, you know, get it to where it's supposed to be. So yeah, that's the purpose of this video. We are gonna learn how to wire the Accessport to the right spot. So it's gonna take probably a couple minutes to do it. I'm not gonna record every little detail. I'm gonna talk through it and explain it to you guys. So let's get right into the video. Because I don't want to hold the camera and I'm the only person recording, I'll be able to record and do everything. So I'm just gonna put the GoPro on my wrist and strap it on my wrist and actually get to talk about it and record it and do the same thing at the same time. So this will be a good angle for you guys to watch it. And yeah, so let's see what we're gonna come up with. So I hope the GoPro don't die actually. So first you're gonna need to apply to get this part of the car out where the OB2 is hiding, and two, you're gonna need, I don't know, something to get it, but I don't have none of these stuff, so I'm gonna try and use a flathead screwdriver to try and do it. If it doesn't come out, well, I have to figure something out. Give me 1 second. Alright guys, so I guess I messed up the audio, but I hope this audio is pretty clean and clear. So like I said, we're gonna get something like this, which is a flathead screwdriver, and something which is a little flatter to be able to, you know, get here. But this is where you're gonna mount the Accessport. You guys are gonna learn all that kind of stuff. So first of all, I am going to apply this here. If you can see it, I believe it's an easy part of the car to come apart. It just has clips in it, so it's gonna come right off like this, easy to come off. You're gonna take this part out, and yeah, and then let's move on from there. So the first thing you would like to do is get your OBD2 sensor. Alright, so as you guys can see right here, I'm going to change the angle, obviously. As you guys can see right here, I'm going to change the angle, obviously. As you guys can see, the OB2 is hiding somewhere up here, so we're going to push it out, which is being held by these little clips right here. We're going to push the clips out with this flathead screwdriver. See? And you push it in. It'll come right out easily. And basically what you do is put your hand through this, get an OBD2 sensor right here, plug, there it is, and you're gonna grab your wire, which is this, and you're gonna plug it in. So I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but I hope you guys know what I mean. But basically this is what you're gonna do. I'm gonna try and get the camera a little closer and see if it's gonna work. So yeah, basically you're gonna get the plug, which is the OBD2 plug right here. You're gonna hold onto this, push it right on, plug it in. It's gonna go right in. Now the OBD2 plug is plugged in. We're gonna push it down there, and try to hide as much wire as we want. So basically my mount is gonna go somewhere right here. I was thinking somewhere right here. I'm gonna plug in my Accessport somewhere right here, have it sit right there somewhere. So yeah, that's what I'm thinking of doing. Plug it somewhere right here, or somewhere up here, but then I don't want it to be there, so I just probably just wipe this part down and plug it in, which we're gonna do the wiring part first. So you're basically gonna find a way to hide all the wires here somewhere, and bring it out here, bring it through here, and let it sit somewhere up here. So I would say about this length is pretty good for me. About this length is pretty good. So we're gonna keep the wires here and keep this length, I guess. So yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying this video. I know it's taking forever, it's taking slow. Please don't be mad at me. Stay tuned and keep watching my videos. So one thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put, so I got this kit that comes with a Accessport, and I got the one-time sticky stuff, which was cheap. That's why I got it, because I didn't want to spend too much money on it. So I got this sticky stuff that's gonna go right onto it, and it goes right on the back like this. Boom. See what I'm saying? Probably clean this wire up and get it ready to be installed or something, like find a place to hide these wires, you know what I mean? Which is not a big deal. These wires can be hidden anytime you want, wherever you want them to be hidden. I'll probably just tie them somewhere here. So basically what I did, that I guess I thought I was recording the whole time, which I didn't record. I'm sorry about that. This is why I need a second how to do everything. But basically what I did was that I wiped this part down with alcohol wipes right here and cleaned it off to make it sticky and be able to mount my Accessport right on here. I had to wipe it down, clean it off, you know what I mean? Take the sticky part, which is right here, off the back of this. I'll put a link in the description from where I got this from, and you guys can go check it out. I wiped it off and basically just put it in here, push it down, and there it is. Boom, ba da ba. But yeah, so you just basically wipe it down, clean it off, and make sure it's clean and there's not no dirt or grimes there, and then you basically just do it and you tighten it how you want your Accessport to sit. So basically I want my Accessport to sit something like this. Something like this. Like, look, facing me a little bit, you know. We're gonna get rid of these wires. Find a place to stick all the wires to, you know. For now, we're not really worried about the wires, but we're gonna figure something out. Find a place to let the wires stick, and you know, not cause any problems or anything like that. I'll probably just go get some 3 amp something and plug it, like stick it on the body of the car or the plastic parts of the car. So boom, there's our Accessport. It's sitting just like I wanted it to sit, exactly right there. It's not easy to steal and it's not easy to get to it. So I'm gonna tighten it, this part, make sure it's tight enough that it won't start moving. This stuff is really sticky. It's not even trying to come off. Oh my god, I hope I can get it off someday. But yeah, basically it's like that. You know, Accessport is sitting pretty good in rides and all kinds of crazy stuff. It's not gonna move, it's gonna be sitting there. So now we're gonna figure a way to get the wiring part done, which I don't know how I'm gonna do it yet. I probably won't vlog that. So yeah, that's basically how you install an Accessport in a 2016 Ford Focus or 15 or 13 Focus ST. Any car that you want to install your Accessport, this is how you do it. We're just basically gonna go ahead and pilot, clean this wire up and get it. So if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you check out my other videos. This is the 2016 Ford Focus ST build. And don't not forget to share the video and subscribe to the channel. I will catch you guys later.